if x minus 1 by x equals to 2, find x square plus 1 by x square. Given equation x minus 1 by x equals to 2. Squaring on both sides, x minus 1 by x whole square equals to 2 square. Since a minus b whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab, so equation becomes x square plus b square means 1 by x whole square minus 2ab. 2x 1 by x is equals to 2 square means 4. X square plus 1 square means 1. 1 by x square minus x is cancel, 2 is equals to 4. X square plus 1 by x square is equals to 4 plus 2, which equals to 6.